This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Terry Ford. This 3-bedroom/2-bath home in Bloomingdale has wood beam ceilings and a tall brick fireplace in the living room. The great lot backs up to woods with concrete patio and storage shed. With renovations, this could make a great investment property or private home convenient to hospital, shopping, restaurants and more. Priced to sell fast, and it definitely won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Ford at 865-687-1111.